Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button to open more options about the camera we can manage. Now we have to move to left side and pick the settings button to get access to them, and here at the first place we have watermark option, so let's pick it. Now, at the second position we have device watermark option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera and take a picture to see this watermark at the real one. Now we have to move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is our photo with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. We can get closer to it to see how it looks like, Redmi Note 9T. And of course, when we don't need it, we have to move back to the camera, then go to the right corner button once again, then left settings, pick the watermark and use this button with the device watermark option to turn it off. So for now, when we take another picture, the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.